Our skin is a vast ecosystem. Billions of bacteria thrive in every crease, and deep within our pores, they form complex communities, essential to our health.
Staphylococcus epidermidis. It forms a living shield, protecting us from harmful invaders. On its surface, healthy skin appears calm, but magnifying deeper reveals a complex world. Here, millions of microbes thrive. On this vast landscape of human skin, a hidden world of life begins to emerge. On the surface of our skin, a hidden world thrives. Thousands of bacteria form a protective barrier. On the surface of healthy skin, billions of bacteria work to protect us. These friendly microbes form a living shield against invaders. On the surface of our skin, a microscopic battle takes place. Beneficial bacteria form a living shield, repelling danger. On the surface of our skin, a microscopic battle is waged. Beneficial microbes form a living shield, repelling danger.